this is Nicolas Cadillac from Visual Hint. This screencast is about SmartFieldPackEditor.net and the new features of the upcoming 1.1 release. First of all, this is very important to mention that the initial version of SmartFieldPack Editor was a young product and as such was suffering from a few annoying bugs. I'm happy to say that these bugs have been fixed and that usability improvements have been added too. So let's review what's new for the datetime picker. First of all, in a property grid, the custom format property that you can see here has a new type converter so that it's easy to choose among the known datetime format strings. So let's choose, for example, the RFC 1123 pattern. This shows you another improvement. Read-only fields can have their own foreground color. And if you don't like it, simply change the read-only for color. Like this. I will copy this color to the read-only foreground color. A read-only field can be selectable or not. This is your choice. In this demonstration, it is selectable. There is also a new property named AcceptDeleteKey, so that you can choose if the editor is nullable via this key or not. Let's try it. I switch it to on, I press delete, and the editor is nullified. I will restore a date, like this. And at last, to be on par with the Microsoft Datetime Picker, you can now change a month's name with its numerical value. So if I type TEM, for example, I get October as the result. And I can jump from one field to another with the space key or the first letter of the next static field. So here I type space, space, and colon. About the IP address editor, for those who also purchase SmartPropertyGrid.net, it is now an in-place control that you can put in the grid. You can see it here. Moreover, this editor can work with string or unsigned integer types. And to finish, here is the reworked latitude-longitude editor. I say rework because in 1.0 it was not really a full editor, but just an assembly of specialized field packs. This was great to learn how to create field packs, but this was not so handy to get such an editor in just one line of code. So now you get a very flexible editor, showcased here in blue, and you can also include it in Smart Property Grid. You can see them here. Either alone or in the grid, it can display the latitude alone, the longitude alone, or both. You can also choose to display your data in various formats, like degrees minus seconds, or just degrees and minutes, or just degrees. A precision field can be added to the last field of the pack, like this. If I set the precision to 2, here you get it. This concludes this screencast. Thanks a lot for watching.